How to fix Bhim SBI Pay app not working. So if you want to fix your Bhim SBI Pay app not working or not opening problem, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have your internet connection, then your Pay app won't work. Once you've checked your internet connection, the second thing you need to do is open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and you'll find an option of apps. Tap on it, then go with manage apps. Once you tap on manage apps, you need to go with search and search for the application in which you are facing the problem, which is Bhim SBI Pay app. Once you find the application, you need to tap on it and then scroll down a bit and you'll get this kind of interface. Now go with clear all data, which will be on the bottom, and then tap on OK and delete all of your data or delete the cache. After deleting your cache, you need to go with app permissions and make sure that you allow the permissions. Now, after clearing your cache or after force stopping the application, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix, then you need to go back and then open up your Play Store. On your Play Store, you need to go with search and search for Bhim SBI Pay. Select the application, and if you have any updates on the application, you just need to simply go and update it. After updating, your problem will be fixed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.